Welcome students, myself Dev Kamal Pal, Faculty of Civil Engineering Department of Sri Ramakrishna Institute of Science and Technology. Today we are going to learn about plumbing. What is plumbing and what is the utility of plumbing in a building? The plumbing and sanitary system is an essential part of every house or building. Proper planning and designing of plumbing system is crucial as it takes care of the hygiene requirements of the occupants. It has been reported that about 8% of the construction cost of a building is marked for plumbing and sanitary work. It is approximately 8% of the construction cost of a building. It depends upon the plumbing system and distribution network. It may be higher or lower. A plumber's job role consists of installation, repair, maintenance, and servicing of plumbing fittings and fixtures. Besides having a true understanding of the mechanism required for performing various tasks, a plumber should be laborious, have effective communication skills, and to be a result oriented worker with a positive attitude. Now I have to understand the role of plumbing. As you may be aware, water is supplied to a house or a building from storage tanks through pipes. Similarly, the wastewater from kitchen and washroom is drained out with the help of the pipes. Any building, be it a residential or commercial or industrial, cannot function properly without having plumbing and sanitary arrangements in it. Therefore, it's important to have regular and adequate water supply and a proper system for the disposal of wastewater. That is, we have to dispose our wastewater to a treatment plant. Plumbing cycle refers to a mechanism through which water is taken from a source, then supplied to the users, and finally wastewater is collected and recycled to the source after proper treatment. That is a complete plumbing cycle where water is used and recycled and returned to the mother nature. Now, in a word, we can say plumbing is very important for a building. The skill and art that is needed to transport water from the source to the users, then to the treatment plants, and finally supplying the treated water to the users through a proper distribution system is known as plumbing. It is a system of pipes and fittings that carry water. So, we can easily understand that plumbing is not a water system distribution. It also works on water treatment also. So it is very important for nature as well as for the building. Thank you.